Are you feeling lost in math and want to ace your IGCSE and O-level exam without spending a penny? So you are in the right place. Hello everyone, this is Umar, a passionate and experienced math tutor dedicated to making math easy and accessible for everyone. I am excited to offer recorded lectures that cover everything you need to know. These videos are specifically designed for the new IGCSE and O-level syllabus, so you will be fully prepared for your exam. Don't just take my word for it. Hear what some of my students are saying about their experience.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Abdullah Ahmed and I finished my O-level maths with Sir Umar Zahir and I'm currently taking my A-levels with him. That wasn't really what made him a great teacher. It made him good, but what really made him great was his dedication to his students and his style of teaching. He was very clear, very concise, very to the point, straightforward. He studied everything with him for 6 months. Gave my exams and ended up getting an A star.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुस्तफ़ा नियाज़ी है और मैंने सर उमर ज़हीर के साथ 1 साल IGCSE की मैथ्स पढ़ी है। मेरी जो भी क्वेरीज होती थी या मिस्टेक्स थी वो सॉल्व करवाई हैं। फिर मेरे हर टॉपिक के बाद उन्होंने मेरा टेस्ट भी लिए हैं ताकि मेरी फर्म ग्रिप बन जाए इन टॉपिक्स के ऊपर। ओवरऑल इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस।
Not only that, when you join our WhatsApp community, you will get exclusive notes and worksheet for extra practice. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. Hit that like button, join us today. Can't wait to see you inside the community.